Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 15 under Section 1. The instruction is, from the words lettered A to D, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. So the word given to us is waste, and we have A, letter A underlined. So option A is wasn't, B, poetry, C, great, D, fret. So first I will transcribe the word waste, which is the word given to us. So we will see the sound represented by the letter A. So waste is transcribed this way. So you have A sound, which is represented by letter A. So wasn't is transcribed this way. Wasn't. Option B, poetry, is transcribed this way. Poetry. Option C, great, is transcribed this way. Great. Option D, fret, transcribed this way, exactly as it is written, fret. Now we said the sound you have here is A, so you see that same sound is found in great here. Therefore option C, great, is the answer to this question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.